that image. That's a little bit more better. Hopefully that can help. I don't know if that helps. Hopefully that helps. Oh, that helped a lot. That helps a lot. That brought a lot more color. It's been a long time. But today I want y'all to see we on some trading right now. We trying to I'm muting myself by accident. We trying to get in some good entries on the trading tip. Let me adjust my mic real quick. Hold on. We trying to get some good entries right now. So let me share my trading screen. And we recently just been trying to forex. So I'll put $100 into a small account. Gonna see how far we could grow that by the end of the year. One of my favorite pair right now is USD Canadian, just because I'm so close to it. I live in the US and Canada right there. So it's kind of easier for me to really, because I automatically got to listen to the US news, of course. So right now we got the MACD indicators as well. As you can see, hold on, let me go over to the stream real quick to make sure it's showing. Okay, it's showing. Can I move I want to move myself. Can I do that? If I can't, if I can't, I really do want to move that box over though. That'd be very helpful. I can move the box over. No. Yeah, I want to move my box over to this other corner over here. But I can't see. As we can see, we're going to try to zoom in and probably give y'all a better look at the graph itself. Put it over here on this side. So we're looking at the hour chart right now. So on the hour chart, we know we're going to get a retest at that level. This is the relative strength index. So this is showing you the high highs back up to the high because it doesn't really take too much lower than that. And this is about the volatility of the pair. So just because you see it's going up, it might be overall down. But this is just, it's going up for that hour. So you can see the movement of volatility. And that's why we put the MACD indicator as well. So we can actually see the buy and sell orders. So you could see whole load of buys, but then you have a little bit of sell, but it doesn't suffice this. So you knew it was a little dip down. You knew right there, we're going to get a little dip down. So let me get in so it's all about learning how to read your indicators and charts. So, and we're not here for a whole Forex. I'm just going live stream so y'all can see this is the entry I've been looking at. USD Canadian on an hour. You see this smooth dip. So I'm going to actually wait for it to come back up. I'm going to actually wait for that to come back up, which should probably take about 2-3 hours. So 2-3 hours after the market open, we'll be just waiting for the proper entry. Because if we zoom out, let's say the 4 hours, we see the curve is a little bit more, is at the top. So if we looking at the long term, which we doing swing trades because it's a small account. So we trying to really swing and get as much a good position and as much profit as possible. Not risking it on small. We risk it sometimes on small, like day trades, and I forgot what they call it, snipes. We do snipe here and there, but overall we not sniping because we take more L's than we do W's sniping. Bump up, boom, and then reject. So I'm waiting for that little bump up, then I'll get in on a sell around here, and then I'll ride that, coast it. I'll coast it. And then we could go even deeper than that. I'm just telling you, I'm showing you why I actually chose this entry. But a high volume of buy sells, which is this mean rack of yellow candles. But look how close it is to that top. And this is the day. So if we in it for like, let's say 3 days at some point, it's gonna hit that top within the 3 days and come down. And we could many times to hit that high. They didn't really reach on the last one. And Didn't really reach the top. Didn't reach, so it doesn't overbuy at that level. It gets just there. Usually, look, see, it gets just there to the level and then comes down. So we looking at the couple days on the chart. We only hearing the move. So for the next week, so it's still gonna go up, kind of reach up to these levels. So getting in a buy option until then wouldn't be too bad. Even the data. So the next day it'll open it. So we're gonna just see. We just gonna see. That's our entry. That's how we looking. That's how we looking on that entry. Now, while we on it, we could look at Canadian Japanese yen. This is something I had an actual, but I have a trade on this, so I want to show you that trade. As you see, the whole trade itself is $6.87. We put our stop loss and our trailing stop loss on right on it. So the second it moves against us when the market open, we're gonna get stopped out on a small. But then on this big, if it does make a move, I think it's gonna make a down move though. If it make a down move, we in it, we staying in it. But just in case it doesn't, and we got a trailing stop also. But just in case it doesn't, we kind of, I'm gonna take the trailing stop off the big trade. So we just got a stop loss on the big trade now. But I'm gonna take the trailing stop off. That's what we're gonna do. So we got the stop loss there. And for the stop loss, I kind of could move it. I move you up, boom. So now on a level of resistance, of that level of resistance, then boom, it could probably survive a little bit of resistance. Not our trailing stop loss. I want to put it right on a line of our stop loss. But again, it doesn't meet it. It'd be too close. But all right. But as you can see, this trade is heavily oversold. Like this is bound to. It's already making a kick up, but it's bound to make a kick up from here. This is super oversold. So based off that, we can get in a buy option here. It depends on which move goes first. This one might go first though, so we're gonna get in a buy option. But if we look at the longer time, it's not gonna make this sell off. So I think it is going to tick up. I think this is the lowest we're gonna get it, which is good. We not mad at that. All profits is profit. But now we look at the day. It just begun on the tinkers. So this one is kind of tricky. That's why I'm trying to get out of it. I said if it breaks this point, that's why I put this black line here. I said if it breaks this point that it's long, like we've been looking at it. You feel me? So we just, I don't know if it doesn't break that point. Last time it was at this point, boom, it just broke over the point, retested the point a couple times, boom, broke up again, retest. So off this retest is getting a resistance. Like right at that line I drew, because I seen it way before. That's what I say, always back test the moves you're trying to make. So it bounces off here, stops us out, boom. As soon as it stops us out, we get into the reversal. As soon as we get stopped out. So that's how we looking at that. That reversal will protect profits there, get out, and hopefully by the time we get some good profits there, our USD Canada trade is ready. So that's I just want to show y'all the moves I'm gonna make tomorrow, the science behind it. If y'all do want to follow the trade, y'all know exactly where to go. Y'all know what I'm doing once the market open. So this is just a quick powwow. Oh yeah, my new channel for trading that's dedicated to trading alone is Journey of Trading. So go follow that channel now, and that's where I'm gonna really be getting into my trades, the progression of the actual $100 account, everything I'm learning in real time. I'm gonna do it more over there. So this is just the introductory stream until that account is ready to be streamed on. So subscribe to Journey of Trading on Twitter and on we always showing plays, and we not just doing forex, we doing stock options. We gonna get into futures. We just gonna, this is a whole journey. So that's why we got the Journey of Trading page. So hopefully, let me stop sharing. Hopefully I was able to help y'all get into the entries as well. Hopefully these entries make you profitable. And we're gonna see where we at tomorrow. So peace.